Whatever. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually channeling my inner Anna today with my braids, aka I'm too lazy to curl my hair on this cloudy, rainy day. But anyways, we are about to enter the summer months and I thought this would be a good time to kind of sit down, chit chat, very informal video, kind of reintroducing myself and letting you all know some changes that I may have coming to my channel, as well as letting you all know something that I do that could benefit you. So I'm going to try to keep this as short as I can without blabbering on because I have a tendency to do that. But if you want to sit down and grab a drink or a cup of coffee and hang out with me, I just want to go over a few things. I started my YouTube channel a little bit over a year ago, and the sole purpose of me starting my channel was to just give advice and any tips or tricks that I may have about Disney travel, because I just really love all things Disney, especially Disney travel. So the basis of my channel was going to be just talking about Disney and giving any advice that I had about planning Disney trips, and this was before I became a travel agent too. So then I started doing some vlogs, and then lately I've been doing like hauls and unboxings and mystery unboxings, and I just don't always mention that I am a travel agent, but I wanted to make sure that you know that in case you are thinking about planning a vacation. Doesn't have to be Disney, but if you are thinking about planning a vacation and really have no idea where to start, usually people that watch videos on YouTube, if they're thinking about a vacation or if they are Disney obsessed, they watch videos about Disney. So if you stumbled upon this because you are thinking about planning a Disney vacation, then here's where I can help you. So I just figured that I would bring that up again and let you know that I am a travel agent that specializes in Disney destinations such as Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Disney Cruise Line, Aulani in Hawaii, and then Adventures by Disney, which is a whole world of travel in itself, and it's just absolutely amazing, and I can book that for you. So you might be saying, why would I pay for a travel agent when I can book my vacation all on my own? Well, let me tell you some important details of why you should use a travel agent and how a travel agent doesn't even cost you any extra money. And that's 100% true. It does not cost you a single penny to book your trip with me, and I'm going to fill you in on a little secret of why that is. So within every vacation package, such as Disney, they include a travel agent's commission into their package. So if you're going to the Disney website and booking your package on your own, that's the same price that you're going to get if you book with me. But instead, if you booked with me down the line, I would get that commission, and if you booked on your own, the supplier is keeping that commission. So if you're booking on your own, essentially you're paying for a travel agent that you didn't use. I hope that makes sense. I didn't really want to make this video all about being a travel agent. That's not where I'm going. I just want to point out the benefits to you really quickly. I can save this for another day and go into detail more about using a travel agent and why you should use a travel agent. I really just wanted to let you know that I am one, and I don't just book Disney. I love Universal, I love Royal Caribbean, I love taking cruises. Of course, Disney is my #1 passion, but that's not all that I can book. It really does not cost you anything extra to use me, except if you have already booked your trip and you do not want to use a travel agent, but then you come to me and you want me to help you with your fast passes or your dining, or you just need like some in-depth planning questions, then I would have to charge a planning fee. So to avoid that, you could just book your trip through me. If you've already booked a trip within the last 30 days and now you're saying, I would like to use Krystina as my travel agent, as long as it's within those 30 days, we can definitely transfer that over to you. You also have the option of canceling and rebooking. I'm sure you don't want to do that. So your best bet is to just contact me. I will leave my email here, and I will leave my email down below. I always have my contact information down there. Also, I will from time to time get some emails from people who watch my channel or who find me on social media and they want to know how to become a travel agent. I really don't have any answers or much advice for you. I know that the agency that I work with isn't taking on any new agents right now, but I do try to tell everyone to do your research. Wait until you are 110% ready. It's a busy job. It's a time-consuming job. And just do your research. Don't go with the first one that you come upon. Make sure that you are looking into everything possible, because you don't want to go with an agency that you're not going to be happy with. Knowing that I've used this specific agency many times for my own personal family trips, and then I somehow got lucky enough to be with them. So that's about it for the travel agent part. I do want to talk about some things that I've been thinking about for my channel if you're interested in that. So not to worry, the Disney content is not going to go anywhere. I love to vlog when we go on trips. I love doing my unboxings and the Disney mystery unboxings, but I kind of want to have my channel grow a little bit. I know there are a lot of Disney-based channels out there that are awesome, and I love watching them, and it's so nice to communicate with others in the Disney community and make friends. But I do want to add some things to my channel. I'm not taking anything away. I want to add some things. So this is kind of where I'm going to need your help. So if you have any input on this, then let me know in the comments below. If there's something that you want to see that I don't show or do on my channel, let me know. I'm always curious to know what interests you. I'm sure these boring, lengthy talking videos that I do probably is not what you want to see all the time, but I really just needed to talk about this. So I said I wanted to kind of like reintroduce myself. So I'm Krystina, obviously, and I'm a mom of 2 girls. I live in Massachusetts. I love Disney. I love to travel. I'm a travel agent. I had a Walt Disney World wedding 7 months ago. I'm a cat mom. This is Merle. He's a little sleepy right now, but this is Merle, our kitty. I'm also a seamstress. I sew on the side as a small business as well. So I'm trying to figure out what I could add to my channel based on my life and my personality and things that I like. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking about maybe doing like a monthly favorites video. I'm sure it will always include something Disney, because let's face it, Disney is like a part of my life every day, no matter what it is. But I could do monthly favorites videos, maybe like my favorite household products, my favorite snacks that month, my favorite beauty items. I'm not like a big beauty person. I barely wear makeup, just like normal mom things that I like. If you're a mom, you know what I'm talking about. We just constantly have like body care and health items and household cleaners. Favorite movie of the month. Who am I currently watching on YouTube? Favorite Disney item that I got that month. Maybe even like empties videos every once in a while for like products that I've used to let you know if I liked them or not. So I guess basically I'm saying maybe possibly I could add some lifestyle videos to my channel. It doesn't always have to be travel related or Disney related. Like I said, I'm a mom of 2 tween girls. They are 9 and 11. So I live a pretty busy life. I work from home. My girls are in school all day, although summer is coming up. Would you guys like to see any like day in the life home vlogs, I guess you would call it? From time to time. I am totally not the type of person that would be like a daily vlogger, only because I like my privacy. I think my kids deserve their privacy. I know I'm on YouTube for the whole world to see, and I put my kids on YouTube for the whole world to see, such as like when we go away, I do vlog them, but that's not something that I want to do for my children, showing them off every day, and they wouldn't want that either. They totally love watching day in the life vlogs, but I know that they wouldn't want to be on camera all day every day. So that's not what I'm talking about. I'm saying just maybe even if it was just like once a month, like if we had something exciting going on, like the summer's coming up and we have a little cottage on a private pond, and we spend 95% of our summers there. So if you would like to see the beautiful Massachusetts woods and all this, or do you have any ideas of what you would like to see on my channel that are Disney or travel related? I would like to start doing some advice videos for Universal. I've been thinking about that. I just haven't had the time to sit down and actually do it, but that is going to be coming soon. You know, I love talking about Disney Cruise Line as well. I feel like I'm kind of just going back and forth here, probably confusing and boring you, so I'm not going to talk much longer, but let me know what you think. I would like to add some things to my channel. So my channel's not necessarily changing. I just want to add things to it because I would like to watch my channel grow, and like I said, it's fun to communicate with you guys. Honestly, I think I talked long enough. I'm just kind of rambling on now, but I did just want to come on as an informal video and talk about some things that I've been thinking about. So if you have any questions or if you have any advice for me, things that you'd like to see me add, let me know in the comments, or you can contact me on Instagram. My name is Krystina _ with a K. That's linked below. I also have a Facebook group for just travel, Disney travel, anywhere travel. I definitely have a Facebook group. It's Krystina with DWB Vacations. You can find me there. Blah blah blah. I feel like I'm not talking about anything important anymore, so thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think, and again, if you're thinking about booking a vacation, let me know. I would absolutely love to do that for you. Talk to you guys soon. Bye!